So you know your health is your wealth. I don't need to remind you of that. And that's why today we're having a conversation with the Koru Health Group. They have some fantastic stuff all the way from Turkey down here in Ghana. And they're going to be sharing with us their expertise when it comes to robotic surgery, among others. Well, joining the conversation, we have Sevim Kaya, who's in the studio, together with Ben Azir Begum Modi, who also joins, Moradi, right?
Moradi.
Moradi, all right, who also joins the conversation. Thank you very much, ladies, for joining us. I think, of course, the first question I'm going to ask, what is the Koru Group? I'll start with you.
Thanks you for having us, first of all. As you have mentioned, we are coming from Turkey. We are here on the behalf of Koru Health Group. Our hospital is located in Ankara. It's a GCI accredited hospital with 300 bed capacity. I can say we have all the departments such as urology, gynecology, hematology, oncology, I can say nuclear medicine, etc.
So you're dealing with practically everything, every aspect of health.
Exactly, we do, yeah.
I see. And what makes the Koru Health Group stand out as far as what you do is concerned? What makes you stand out?
As Koru Hospitals, we are a diagnosis and treatment center with the state-of-the-art technological equipments. You know, in the past, when we get diagnosed with a disease, we used to look for the best physician in order to get cured. However, nowadays it has changed. Now we are looking for the best, the latest technology in healthcare. Because also the physicians, of course, in addition to the technology, who have enough experience in using this technological equipment. I can say this with pride that as Koru Health Group, we provide our services to our patients with a great combination of the technological equipment, latest technological equipment, and the physicians with academic background and experience.
Interesting. But as yeah, so we've already started talking about some of the important things that you deliver, but what sets your group, your hospitals, apart from other hospitals? What is that peculiar bit you deliver?
Now, as a Koru Health Group, we have very advanced technological equipment because technology is not only important for the treatment, but also crucial for the diagnosis, because you must have a good diagnosis so that we can have a good treatment. As the Koru Group, especially in the field of oncology and hematology, we use a PET-CT scan, which is very important to find the mass so that we can give the specific treatment. Also in prostate cancer, we use a gallium PET-CT for the diagnosis stage. Also, there's our latest technology, which is the fusion biopsy, which is, the fusion biopsy, it's a combination of MRI and ultrasound so that we can find the specific mass and take the biopsy from it. And it is a very advanced technology because with the other method, there are the masses of the early stage that cannot be spotted with the other method. Also, we have the Da Vinci robotic surgery that we use in our hospital, especially in prostate cancer, and also prostate cancer and also abdominal surgeries. And with the latest, you know, obesity is increasing in all population, and the bariatric surgery is getting more and more common. So we use a Da Vinci robotic surgery to do this. What are the advantages of the Da Vinci robotic surgery? You know, the recovery stage is very rapid, and also there are less complication, post-surgery complication. Also, there are other methods that we use, which is gamma knife, like for very small brain masses that we use a gamma knife. You don't need surgery to treat them with some 2 or 3 gamma knife stage, we can treat them. Also, we have, as Madam Sevim said, we have a great surgery team in all aspects, that we can assist our patient, neurosurgery, orthopedy, urology, even pediatric surgery we have in our hospital, so that we can provide a great variety of treatment and also with the latest technology.
Right. That's very interesting. Let me come to Seven. So she's already talking about the fact that you're using state-of-the-art technology. And it's interesting that for some cases of cancer and others, you may not spot them easily at the initial stages. So your technology allows for a bit more of that, which means you can save more lives. But are your patients predominantly from Turkey? Are you reaching out? Tell us about that.
Actually not. We receive patients from all around the world, I can say, especially from African continent, including Europe and Middle East, basically. And for the last, I can say for the last 15 years, it has increased that we receive patients from outside of Turkey.
I see. So then in Ghana, I know you are launching a program that you are starting. Tell us about that. And there's also a linguistic barrier in there. How are you addressing that challenge?
Okay. As like an international patient department service, we have a team of 15 people, and who's are native speakers in English, Russian, Arabic, or Somali language, etc. Therefore, we try to make the patients, feel them home. Our international patient services specialists, they assist the patients during their journey in our hospital. Actually, even before their arrival to our hospital, they ask us for the second opinion. We help them for booking the hotels, organizing the transportation, etc. Because we empathize with our patients. We know that they come far from their, they come for treatment. Far from their countries, from their loved ones. Therefore, we try our best to smooth the process for them and make them feel home.
I see. Any final words in terms of what we can expect this week?
As you say, sir, health is wealth. So we must invest in our health, we must care for ourselves, have regular exercise, and eat well also. We will be here for 3 days. Maybe Madam Sevin
we are
help here.
Yes, we are here for 3 days for the exhibition. We will be in Accra International Conference Center on 8th, 9th, and 10th of May. Also, besides the exhibition, we as Koru Health Group, we are ready to answer your question about your health issues. So feel free to get in contact with us for second opinion and ask your questions, please, through our website, our social media accounts, also from the WhatsApp. You can directly get in contact with us.
All right. Thank you, ladies, for having joined us for this conversation. Those who joined us, Sevin Kaya, was there something you wanted to say?
Thank you, sir. Thank you for inviting us.
It's been a pleasure having you. Sevin Kaya is Assistant Director, Koru Health Group, and we also have Benazir Begum Moradi. Did I get it right this time? All right. She's a specialist doctor. Both of them joined the conversation. But stay with us. Up next, we have a conversation with the NPP's, parliamentary candidate for Esikado Ketan. I'm talking about none other than Charles Bisu. He joins the conversation up next. We'll be right back.